Hi there, lovely learners. I'm Sophia, and welcome back to the Real Life English Podcast, where we explore everyday life in natural, fun, and easy-to-understand English. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this episode a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a story. Now let me take you along on a day full of errands, excitement, and, of course, English learning. Get ready to learn real-life phrases, vocabulary, and expressions that you'll actually use. So grab your notebook and let's go shopping together. This week has been a whirlwind. I recently moved into a new apartment, and wow, what a journey it's been. Boxes everywhere, clothes in the kitchen, spoons in the bathroom. I kid you not. But after a few chaotic days of organizing, I finally felt ready to go out and make my new space feel like home. So today, I'm going to share my shopping day with you. Not just any shopping day, but one filled with useful English expressions, relatable moments, and even a little humor. Because, let's be honest, shopping isn't always as glamorous as it looks on social media. Sometimes your feet hurt, the bags are heavy, and your wallet cries a little. But hey, it's all part of the adventure. I woke up early this morning with the sound of my neighbor's dog barking. Again, I dragged myself out of bed, made some coffee, and jotted down a shopping list. If there's one tip I can give you, it's this: always make a list. Without it, I end up buying things I don't need and forgetting the things I do. My list had three main categories: groceries, home decor, and clothing. Simple, right? Wrong. It turned into a full-day expedition. First stop, the supermarket. I grabbed a cart, pulled out my phone to check the list, and headed straight to the fresh produce section. Apples, bananas, lettuce, tomatoes, milk, eggs, yogurt, and oh yes, snacks. Because let's face it, snacks are essential. I picked up some popcorn, chocolate, and cookies. You know, the important food groups. While walking down the aisles, that's the space between the shelves in a store, I found myself distracted by colorful cereal boxes. There must have been 20 kinds. I spent 5 minutes trying to decide between Fruity Crunch and Healthy Oats. I went with the oats. Gotta pretend I'm making healthy choices. Once my cart was full, I headed to the checkout. The cashier was super friendly, and we even chatted a bit. "Busy day?" she asked. "You have no idea," I replied, smiling. "Moving is no joke." She nodded knowingly. "Been there. Good luck with the unpacking." I thanked her, paid, and packed up the bags. I swear, carrying groceries is the adult version of weightlifting. Next up, home decor shopping. I walked into this cute little shop that smelled like cinnamon and vanilla. You know that cozy smell that instantly makes you feel warm inside? Yeah, that. I wandered around admiring lamps, candles, vases, and soft blankets. I picked out a fuzzy rug for the living room, 2 lavender-scented candles, and a framed quote that says, "Home is not a place, it's a feeling." A bit cheesy, I know, but it made me smile. I also found a beautiful wooden coffee table. It wasn't on my list, but it somehow ended up in my cart. Oops. By this time, I was already feeling a bit tired. Shocking is fun, but it's also exhausting. So, I decided to grab lunch before the final stop. I found a small cafe nearby and ordered a grilled chicken sandwich and a smoothie. The cafe had a warm vibe, soft music playing, and the smell of freshly baked bread. Heaven. While eating, I looked around at other shoppers doing the same, taking a break, chatting, scrolling on their phones. It was a nice reminder that sometimes you just need to slow down. After lunch, I headed to my favorite clothing store. New season, new style. I browsed through sweaters, coats, jeans, and scarves. I picked out a soft beige jacket and a navy blue sweater. When I tried them on, I felt like a new version of me. Isn't it funny how clothes can change your mood? At the checkout, the cashier complimented my jacket. "That color really suits you," she said. I blushed a little and thanked her. Compliments from strangers? Always a win. Finally, bags in hand, I made my way home. The sun was setting and the sky turned a soft pink. It felt like the perfect end to a long day. Once home, I unpacked everything, put away the groceries, laid the new rug in the living room, lit a candle, and made a cup of tea. I tried on my new jacket again just to admire it in the mirror. Then, I sank into the couch, wrapped myself in a blanket, and sighed. Tired, but happy. Before I end this episode, let's go over a few real-life English words and expressions we use today. Aisle, the passage between rows of shelves in a store. Packed up, to place things into bags or containers. Jot down, to quickly write something. Cheesy, overly sentimental or cliched. Suit you, when something looks good on someone. Slow down, to take a break or reduce speed. And here are a few useful phrasal verbs. Pick up, to buy or collect something. Head to go in the direction of. End up, to do something unplanned. Try on, to wear clothing to see if it fits. Pay for, to give money in exchange for something. Put away, to return things to their proper place. See how natural and useful these are? Try using them in your own daily life and stories. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this episode helped you learn some new English phrases while sharing a slice of everyday life. What's your favorite thing to shop for? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Sophia, and this was Real Life English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep being kind to yourself. Bye for now.